quadrilateral BEST. Let us name consecutive angles. Given angle B is consecutive with, correct, angle E. It can also be angle B and angle T, or angle T and angle B. Remember, consecutive angles are angles that are next to each other. Let us write consecutive angles that are supplementary in an equation. So we have angle B plus, which one is its consecutive? Okay, let's have angle E is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, or we can also have angle B plus angle T, which is consecutive to B, is equal to 180 degrees. Let us find the measure of angle O. So let's first write the equation. The measure of angle S plus the measure of angle O is equal to 180 degrees. Substitute. So angle O is represented as X, which is the unknown value. So the measure of angle S is 75 degrees plus the measure of angle O is X. Missing value is equal to 180 degrees. Addition property of equality. Let's use 75 degrees. Subtract it on both sides of the equation to find the value of X. So now we have this cancelled. X is equal to 180 minus 75 is 105 degrees. So this is the answer to the measure of angle O is equal to 105 degrees. To check if our answer is correct, simply add 75 degrees and 105 degrees, and the total is 180 degrees. Then they are supplementary. And rhombus, SOME. Let us find the measure of angle M. What is the relationship of angle M and the given angle E? Very good. They are supplementary. Let us write the equation for us to be able to find the value of this angle. Measure of angle M plus the measure of angle E is equal to 180 degrees. Substitute the value of measure of angle M. Since it is unknown, let's use variable X, plus the measure of angle E, which is 115 degrees, is equal to 180 degrees. Using addition property of equality, we subtract 115 on both sides of the equation, and 180 minus 115 is 65 degrees. So now we have the value of X, or the measure of angle M, is equal to 65 degrees. To check if our answer is correct, angle M is 65 degrees plus the measure of angle E is 115 degrees. So this is now equal to 180 degrees. That makes the two angles are supplementary. Given the measure of angle B, 3x minus 10 degrees, and measure of angle E, 2x plus 40 degrees. First question is, what is the relationship of these two given angles? Angle B and angle E. Very good. They are consecutive angles. What property are we going to use to solve this problem? Correct. Property that states consecutive angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. So let us write the equation. Measure of angle B plus the measure of angle E is equal to 180 degrees. Substitute the value of angle B, which is 3x minus 10, plus 2x. Measure of angle E is 2x plus 40 is equal to 180 degrees. Now, we need to combine similar terms. We have 3x and 2x. Very good. That's 5x. How about negative 10 plus positive 40? Correct. Positive 30 is equal to 180 degrees. Next, using addition property of equality, leaving variables on the left side, we have minus 30. So this is now cancelled, is equal to 0. Then we have 5x left on the left side is equal to 180 minus 30 is 150 degrees. Next, 5x is equal to 150. Next is, correct, multiplication property of equality. We multiply 1/5 on both sides of the equation so that 1/5 times 5 is equal to 1 times x is equal to x. 150 1/5 is equal to 30 degrees. So the value of our x is equal to 30 degrees. Now let us substitute this value of x to our equation. 3 times x, 30, minus 10 degrees. So 3 times 30 is equal to 90, minus 10 is equal to 80 degrees. So the measure of angle B is equal to 80 degrees. Let's solve for angle E. It's equal to 2 times 30 degrees plus 40 is equal to 60 plus 40 is equal to 100 degrees. So the measure of angle E is 100 degrees. The measure of angle E is 100 degrees and the measure of angle B is 80 degrees. Let us check from our equation a while ago. 100 plus 80 is 180 degrees. Therefore, the two angles B and E are supplementary. Therefore, our answer is correct.